Riverview Mayor Mike Cornell was back in court today, a day after being charged with 9 felonies, including statutory sodomy, attempted sodomy, harassment, and possession of child pornography. But as those criminal charges move forward, new reporting shows a trail of civil lawsuits that were already stacking up against Cornell and the town of Riverview. 5 on your side's Megan Kernan is live outside the St. Louis County Courthouse in Clayton after looking into those court records. Megan.
Kelly, Mayor Mike Cornell faced a judge for the first time since yesterday's felony charges. But before those criminal charges were ever filed, court documents show that at least 7 civil lawsuits had already been filed against the mayor, the city of Riverview, or both, all within the last 2 years. Now, court records show 2 former Riverview employees filed 2 separate lawsuits accusing Mayor Cornell of sexual harassment. Riverview's former police chief also sued Cornell and Riverview, alleging wrongful termination and retaliation. Other lawsuits were filed by a former alderwoman, the fire department that services Riverview, a national individual rights nonprofit, and an Illinois man who says Cornell improperly issued him a subpoena over a social media comment. All 7 cases remain in active litigation.
When anyone in a position of power abuses their power, it really it hurts the trust of anybody who has any kind of authority. And it's really a sad situation when somebody who is trusted by the public abuses it like that.
Megan, you mentioned those 2 lawsuits filed by former city employees. What are they alleging?
Kelly, in both lawsuits, both former Parks and Recreation employees allege sexual harassment and retaliation by Mayor Cornell. Now, one of those suits was filed by Brandon Evans, which says he was hired in June of 2023 and fired just 4 days later after repeatedly rejecting alleged sexual advances. The other was filed by Cornelius Thompson, alleging a hostile work environment, inappropriate touching, and that he was suspended and later fired after refusing those advances. Now, we emailed Cornell's lawyer a few hours ago and are waiting for a response back. Evans' case is set for a jury trial in July, while Thompson's case has not been scheduled yet. Live in Clayton, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.